Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or display recently installed apps on the Start menu on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the personalization tile and then select Start on the left panel. On the right side where it says Show Recently Added Apps, toggle that on or off depending on your preference if you want to enable or disable that from showing up. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.